Module 1. Hardware and Software Requirements. In this module, we will review the hardware needed to participate in this workshop. We will also go over the software tools required to utilize the Nucleo platform. Please make sure you have the following hardware: a PC or laptop running Windows 10 or Windows 11, the STMicroelectronics F401RE development board, the STMicroelectronics IKS4A1 development board, 1 mini USB cable for connecting the Nucleo platform to your PC. The following ST software tools need to be installed prior to starting the workshop. MEMS Studio is our complete desktop software solution enabling embedded AI designs across our entire portfolio of MEMS sensors. STM32Cube IDE is an integrated development environment based on Eclipse. It includes a text editor, a GCC compiler, and a GDB debugger. The STM32Cube programmer application will be used to update the firmware stored in flash memory. The Xcube ISPU package contains drivers and sample application code to help us build ISPU projects. The Xcube MEMS 1 package contains drivers and sample application code for the Nucleo IKS4A1 onboard sensors. In this module, we reviewed the hardware needed to participate in the workshop. We also listed the specific software tools needed to successfully create application designs in MEMS Studio. This concludes Module 1.